Click on the link below to get price. The AprilAire E080 Pro 80 Pint Whole-House Dehumidifier is an impressive unit designed to manage humidity levels effectively in large spaces. As someone who has battled excess moisture issues in my home, I found this dehumidifier to be a game changer. With a capacity to remove up to 80 pints of moisture per day, it is particularly well suited for basements, crawl spaces, and entire homes up to 5,800 square feet, making it an optimal choice for those living in humid climates or areas prone to dampness. Installation was straightforward, especially with the included Model 76 wall mount control, which adds a user-friendly aspect to the device. The control panel offers various settings, allowing you to customize humidity levels according to your preferences. I appreciated the ability to monitor real-time humidity readings, which gave me confidence that the unit was functioning optimally. The dehumidifier's performance is noteworthy. It operates quietly, which is a significant advantage compared to other models I have used in the past. It also features a built-in condensate pump that efficiently expels collected water, eliminating the need for manual emptying. This is a crucial feature that adds to the unit's convenience, especially during prolonged periods of high humidity. Energy efficiency is another highlight of the AprilAire E080. The unit is ENERGY STAR certified, which means it not only helps in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment but also keeps energy costs in check. I noticed a drop in my energy bill since installing the dehumidifier, which was an unexpected and pleasant surprise. Overall, the AprilAire E080 Pro 80 Pint Whole-House Dehumidifier combines performance, efficiency, and ease of use in a well-designed package. It's an investment worth making for anyone looking to combat humidity issues effectively, protect their home from mold and mildew, and improve overall indoor air quality. This product has truly transformed my living environment for the better.